What's going on? Welcome to the happiest place on earth. Come on in. Let me show you what it's all about. This is where all the fun happens, you know, because we have more fun here at ActiveAge. So for those that may not know, or for those that maybe are starting their adult day center or maybe already have an adult day center, let me ask you a question. How good is your activity program? What does your activity calendar look like? Is it this good? Is it worthy of being printed on a nice material that could be passed out to all of your members, to the public? What does it look like? Look, so let's take a look at this one. So we put out a calendar every single month, but think about this. You're an activity program, you're an adult day center, and the majority of what you do centers around creating a fun and engaging environment. So we gotta create a calendar that looks fun and engaging, that like speaks to what you actually do here every single day. So first of all, is your calendar up to date? Is your calendar on your website from 2 or 3 years ago, or is it actually this month's calendar? And how much time and effort do you put into your calendar? See, one of the things that we always do is we do a theme every single month, and typically we actually will have 2 themes within the entire month. So every 2 weeks we're rotating the decor, we're rotating, you know, the theme. So in this case, in the month of July, we have a beachside adventure theme for the first half of July, and then we got 60s rewind for the second half of July. So we actually will change a lot of the look and the feel of the environment every single 2 weeks. So that means literally 25 weeks out of the year, we have a new environment, everything looks different. It looks fun and exciting and new and fresh. And along with that, we also do big parties every single week. So there's gonna be at least one day every week where we're having a theme party. We're doing something that is unique to what our normal days look like. So I cannot stress this enough. If you are an adult day center, it's very important that you spend time developing an activity calendar that is exciting, that's exhilarating, that catches the attention of the public and gives the family members who attend your center something to look forward to, but also can be used as a marketing piece, can be used in the community to promote your adult day services, and can be used to showcase just how much fun you have at your center. And so I can't stress this enough, because so many adult day programs have terrible calendars. They have calendars that look like they were printed off of some, you know, Microsoft Word doc, you know, back in the 1998 version on their gateway computer or their compact and whatever it's called. But anyways, the point of it is spend time developing an amazing activity program, and then give your amazing activity program like a showpiece. Show off that amazing activity program with this showpiece, this thing that you put a lot of time, energy, and effort into designing, the look, the feel, and the vibe. You know, you want people to be able to get a little taste of what it's like inside your center. So a lot of people I know have not done enough to create an amazing activity calendar. I think if you haven't spent time to add this to your literature, to add this to one of your marketing components, it's important to do so. And if you want to learn more about opening your very own adult day center, or you may already have an adult day center but you're struggling for whatever reason, make sure you go to adcpro.com. Join us for our monthly webinars. They're completely free. I would love to see you there. I would love for you to bring questions so we can go through some of these things together. And if you haven't already, make sure you join our private Facebook group. And last but not least, if you're interested in joining our ActiveAge family and owning your very own ActiveAge, go to activeagecare.com/franchise, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.